Hi, this is Beach Troll. Thanks for stopping by my channel. The problem I'm having today with this Cub Cadet XT1 mower, I was just mowing my lawn, and as I was mowing, everything was fine, and then the mower just shut down. After the mower shut down, I tried to restart it, and it was just dead silence, no engine, crank, total silence. What I wound up figuring out is if you lift up the seat, that'll expose your battery. There's a fuse right here, a 20 amp fuse. I pulled that out and it was shorted out. I replaced the fuse and started it back up, and it was fine. Now, if your fuse is not above the battery, there's a possibility it's underneath the battery, so you'd have to pull your battery out and then get access to that fuse if it's not on top. I hope this helped you. If it did, please give a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.